Product number 2, Boss Audio Systems ATV 30 BRGB. Next, I swapped that out for the ATV 30 BRGB. This one feels slightly more streamlined but still very solid. The main draw here is obviously the lighting. When I turned it on at dusk, the multicolor illumination looked awesome. It comes with a remote just for the lights, so you can change colors to match your bike or your mood. Installation was super easy with the heavy-duty Velcro straps. It took me about 5 minutes to secure it to the front rack. Sound-wise, the 6.5-inch speakers are punchy. They aren't as bass-heavy as the 8-inch model, but the vocals cut through the wind really well. If you do a lot of night riding and want your bike to look as good as it sounds, this is the fun choice. Plus, the weatherproofing held up fine when I splashed through a few puddles. Product number 3, Boss Audio Systems BRT26 RGB. If you have a roll cage, you might prefer the BRT26 RGB soundbar. Holding this, it feels much sleeker than the tube speakers I just talked about. It's 26 inches wide and the clamps fit perfectly on my 2-inch bars. The IPX5 rating is legit. I hosed it down after a muddy run and it kept playing without issues. The sound comes from 4 4-inch speakers. It's a different kind of sound, less thump but extremely crisp and directional. The RGB lights on the dome are a nice touch for night rides. My favorite feature, though, is the preamp output. It allowed me to daisy-chain another system for even more sound. If you have a UTV or a cage on your ATV, this saves space and looks much more factory-installed. Product number 5. Boss Audio Systems ATV 65B. Finally, I strapped on the ATV 65B. This is like the little brother to the first one I showed you, but don't let the size fool you. It uses a Class D amplifier, which runs cooler and is super efficient. When I held it, it felt lighter and easier to maneuver, making it great if you have limited rack space. Despite being smaller, that 450-watt amp pushes the 6.5-inch speakers hard. I really liked the plug-and-play vibe. It uses the same zip strap system, so I had it running in minutes. It connects via Bluetooth seamlessly. It's not going to rattle your chest with bass, but for pure volume per dollar, it's impressive. This is the one to get if you want a simple, reliable system that fits almost anywhere without breaking the bank. Whether you want massive bass, cool lights, or just a solid bar for your roll cage, Boss has a setup for you. I've left links to all 5 down in the description so you can check the current prices and specs. Thanks for watching and stay safe on the trails.